Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best TikTok Gadgets is probably one of the most sought-after collections of innovative and surprisingly useful items that have taken the internet by storm, and today we're diving deep into the Amazon marketplace to uncover the absolute gems that are worth your hard-earned money, so get ready to upgrade your life with some viral magic. Number 5. Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. Introducing a refreshing facial spray designed for all skin types. It's formulated with aloe, herbs, and rose water to revitalize your complexion. Experience the gentle yet effective blend of natural ingredients. This mist helps to hydrate and clarify your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. No matter your skin type, this versatile spray is perfect for you. It provides a burst of moisture and helps to bring balance to your skin. Use it anytime you need a quick pick-me-up. It instantly hydrates and rejuvenates, giving your skin a healthy, dewy glow. This unique formula works to clarify your skin, reducing dullness and promoting a brighter appearance. Enjoy a clearer, more radiant complexion. Infused with the soothing properties of rose water, this mist adds a touch of luxury to your skincare routine. It helps to calm and clarify your skin. What we like. This facial spray is perfect for a quick refresh. It hydrates and revitalizes your skin, leaving it feeling clarified. If you're looking for a simple way to boost your skin's appearance throughout the day, or want a refreshing spritz after a long day, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a game changer for organizing my small kitchen. The build quality is surprisingly sturdy for the price, and it was easy to assemble. I love the sleek, modern design. It fits perfectly with my home decor. Number 4. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin ruining your look? This innovative tool instantly mattifies your complexion, absorbing excess oil for a perfectly shine-free appearance. Keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your makeup, ensuring you look great all day long. Enjoy a refreshed look anytime, anywhere. Use it on clean skin at home or easily mattify your face while on the go. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone, offering a reusable and washable solution for quick shine control. Its compact design makes it incredibly portable and simple to use. Achieve a smooth, matte finish with just a few rolls. Need a refresh? Easily swap out the roller balls with our refill packs. You can continue using the same handle, making it a cost-effective choice. What we like. Tired of midday shine? This volcanic stone roller is your secret weapon. It instantly mattifies your skin without disturbing your makeup, and it's reusable. If you need to combat oiliness on the go or want a more sustainable alternative to blotting papers, this is the tool for you. What people say. The product is amazing and works great. I love the design and how it functions. The features are very useful and practical. Number 3. AUOON Silicone Clip-On Strainer for Pots and Pans. Tired of messy draining? This kitchen tool offers a quick and efficient way to separate liquids from solids. Save time and effort with its simple design. Limited kitchen space? This strainer's compact size takes up minimal room. Its slim profile fits easily into cabinets or drawers, keeping your kitchen organized. Attaching it is a breeze. This strainer features an innovative clip that securely fits various pots, pans, or bowls. Its flexible grip makes it a kitchen essential. Cook with confidence. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, it's safe for your family and easy to clean. It can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. This isn't just a strainer, it's a multifunctional kitchen helper. It's perfect for draining pasta, filtering grease, washing produce, and preparing salads. What we like. Draining pasta or washing veggies just got easier. This silicone strainer clips securely onto your pots and pans, allowing for quick draining and easy storage. If you have limited kitchen space or want a more efficient way to handle kitchen prep, this is a must-have. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The design is sleek and modern, and it functions perfectly. I love the features this product offers, it's very useful. Number 2. Fullstar 8-pack colored glass tumblers with bamboo lids. Introducing the Fullstar 8-piece colored glass cup set. Each cup holds 16 ounces of your favorite beverages and comes with a matching glass straw, bamboo lid, and cleaning brush. Express your style with these chic cups, each in a unique pastel color like pink, clear, blue, and green. Their elegant design complements any home decor. Our bamboo lids feature a double silicone ring for a secure, leak-preventing seal. Enjoy your drinks worry-free, adding a touch of glam to your set. Crafted from BPA-free, borosilicate glass, these cups are built for durability and resistance to cracking. They are food-safe and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Showcase your drinks in style, from coffee to smoothies. These tumblers are perfect for making your beverages look stunning on social media and in real life. While the glass cups are dishwasher safe, we recommend hand-washing the bamboo lids to ensure their longevity and preserve their beauty. What we like. Elevate your beverage game with these colorful glass tumblers. They come with bamboo lids and straws, perfect for showcasing your drinks. If you love aesthetically pleasing drinks and want cups that are as beautiful as they are functional for your social media posts, these are ideal. What people say. This is a great product that works well and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my space. I love the features this product offers, especially the advanced settings. Number 1. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the cleaning power of Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. It's your all-purpose solution for a sparkling home. Tackle tough grime and stains with ease. This miracle paste makes cleaning less of a chore. From the kitchen to the bathroom and beyond, it's designed to clean multiple surfaces effectively. Experience the miracle for yourself. It leaves surfaces looking like new with minimal effort. Bring the shine back to your home. Try the pink stuff for a brilliant clean everywhere. What we like. For a truly miraculous clean, reach for this paste. It tackles tough grime on various surfaces, leaving them sparkling. If you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one cleaner that works wonders in the kitchen and bathroom, this is the product you need. What people say. The product is amazing and works perfectly. I love the design and features of this item. It has exceeded my expectations in terms of functionality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.